Yo boys, you're probably wondering what the fuck this video is. Trust me, you're not the only one. Essentially, a couple weeks back, I did a cooking stream whereby I made myself a Victoria sponge cake. If you did enjoy this shit, I stream every day on Twitch, so I guess just come and chill. Enjoy. Love.
Okay, trap money coming through the front, lot of back end. You know me, I bring a bag in, bricks in the drip. When you see me, they like goddamn.
Guess what I'm going to be cooking today? Everybody give a good little guess. Is that? Yeah. Everybody guess what I'm going to be cooking today. Yep. Everybody, it's going to be great. It's going to be great, everybody. Oh, fuck, my gloves. All right. Boys, no. Okay, I wanted to give myself a challenge today, and I thought, Spag Bowl isn't really a challenge for the king, because obviously it's very easy to do. So, this is gonna go seriously bad. No, this is going to go seriously bad. Victoria sponge cake. This is going to go seriously bad. I am nervous now. Really, I am nervous for the sponge cake. Alright. GFUEL. Well, I was gonna make it a special ingredient, so yeah. Let's move my mic a little closer. Yeah, that's good. Alright, everybody, so eggs for the cake, I guess. Jam for the cake. Vanilla extract for the cake. For the cake. Double cream for the cake. Alright, wait a second, I'm not finished yet. I've still got a load of ingredients. Right, so ingredients are ready, guys. Wait, so butter. Hello? Caster sugar. Yep. Vanilla extract. Yep. Barbecue sauce. Yep. I'll be back. Don't worry, guys, all good. Oi. Always have a trusty Rambo near you at all times. Always have a trusty Rambo near you. I was about to back the Rambo up then. Ah, it's 250 grams. So I need most of this butter then. Fucking hell. Most of this butter. Fuck me. That is a lot of butter. That is a fuck ton of... That's way too much, isn't it? Yeah, but I'm making a massive cake. It's gonna be fucking huge. Wait, nah, it's all good. I know. I've got a big enough brain. Wait there a second. 200 grams of sugar. That is a lot. That is too much. That is way too much. That is diabetes. It's a massive cake, you fucking idiots. It's gonna be massive, like this big. Right. I don't have that much caster sugar, so I'm adding it all in. No. I've just added it all in. I don't give a fuck. Alright, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Can you show us the picture of the cake? Alright, I'll do 1 scoop of GFUEL, for fuck's sake. I'll do 1 scoop and that's it. That's like 20 grams. Do I need more sugar, do I? I'm sure I can find some. Well, I have brown sugar. Is brown sugar nice? I can have brown, right? Yes, I can. Brown sugar's fine. It's exactly the same. Oi, come on, boys. Yeah, brown sugar's the same. What's the difference? Because it's a different colour. I'm having bare racist in my stream right now. Oh my god, my stream is so racist. Good enough? That's good enough. That's good enough. That's good enough. Tablespoon? Wait there a second, boys. Lovely. This is going to be lovely. Yep. This thing is fucked. Oi, boys, this cake is gonna kill someone. This cake is gonna fucking kill someone. I'm not even joking. Okay, so here we go. Bloody hell. Right. Well, wait. Alright. Right, why has it done that then? It's that thing has a mind of its own. That thing has a mind of its own. Slowly pour the eggs in. Yeah. I do it a different way. I've got my own strategy. I've got my own strategy. It's called the OK way. It's different to your guys' strategies, but that's probably because you guys don't know how to cook. So yeah. Boys, it seems like right now it's a bit too solid. Do you know what I mean? I think it needs a bit of spit or something. Or a bit of dirt. Or a bit of grass. I'm not too sure. Grass, maybe? I think this is when I add in the barbecue. Yeah? So far, looks beautiful. I prefer shell in it as well. Shell makes it so tasty. Shell makes it bare tasty. I don't know what it is, but I fucking love shell. I love shell. It's so dank. Adds it a bit of crisp, you know? It's like, basically, guys, because I really like McCoy's crisps. So I like it to be a combination of spongy with a bit of crisp in it. You know? Crispy and spongy. Place into the oven and bake for about 20 minutes. So do I add the G Fuel now then? Do I add the G Fuel now? How many scoops? I'm actually going to do 1 scoop. Or, guys, I could do strawberry shortcake. That would taste peng. Strawberry shortcake. Or sour pixel. I reckon strawberry shortcake. Alright, I'll be back. Alright. Strawberry shortcake. How many do I add of these? 2 scoops? Two of them. Oh, fuck. 2 of them. Delicious. Bloody delicious. And then, oi then, boys. It's gonna be shit now? Well, shit anyway. It's gonna taste fucking beautiful now. What do you want to buy? It's gonna taste beautiful now. No, I read the reviews, boys. I read the reviews, right? And everybody says it was a bit dry. So they said if they were gonna do it again, add some milk. Right. Delicious. I know you guys are all watching the king right now. How's he so good at baking fucking cakes? Wait, I'm not even baiting. I swear on my fucking life, boys. This fucking stinks of G Fuel. I swear to you. It actually does. Oh no! Oh no, I've got some mess. Oh no, I've got some mess on my table. That's what water's for, you fucking twats. Delicious. Couldn't think of anything nicer. Delicious. Fucking delicious. Fucking beautiful. Oi, I can taste the individual little bits of shortcake. No, oi boys, do you actually want to know what it tastes like? It tastes like, oh my god, watermelons. Watermelons. That's what it tastes like. Watermelons. I swear to you. So thin? Yeah. It doesn't look too bad. I like that. That looks nice. I like that. That's pen. That needs to go in the bin right now. No, I'm about to eat them. Fucking stupid grey twat. Alright, lovely. Right, so I've got cream here, boys. How much cream do I put on? Loads. It's watery. It's watery. Mix it. Oh. Right. So I put whisk it until it's thick. Sorry, I've never fucking cooked a cake. How much do I use, boys? All of it? All of that? You reckon? This is going to be delicious. This is going to be bloody delicious. Now you've fully broken it. I don't give a fuck. I'm using it. Right, we'll go straight for jam and then we'll be good, yeah? We'll go straight for jam and then we'll be good. Right. I've put it on the wrong end, but it's all good. Because I like it this way round, personally. Right, it's going to be bloody delicious, this is. Oh my god! That is fucking shit. That is... That is fucking shit. Oh, baby. Mums. That is fucking pang. That is so nice. I actually promise you. Delicious. That doesn't even look that bad. That doesn't even look that bad. That is fucking dank. That is fucking dank. Holy shit, Harry. Cream? Boys, the cream's fucked. Look at the fucking cream. Looks like fucking scrambles. I'm not fucking adding this. It's gonna ruin my masterpiece. Try the cream? Oh, fuck's sake, if I have to. The fuck is that? It's scrambled egg. I'm not fucking eating this shit. Yeah, I am not having that. I am not having that.